Algorand is an amazing project that is worth monitoring for the next few years. Several use cases have already been formed, and it is pushing for improvements in decentralization and security. But first, let's discuss a complete guide of Algorand Deep Dive. Before moving ahead, welcome to CryptoNow. In this video, we will discuss the Algorand Complete Guide. So please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go to subscribe to stay connected. Let's start with a brief history. Silvio Micali, a Turing Award winner and MIT professor, founded Algorand in 2017. Silvio has been working on cryptography since the 1980s. He co-envisioned zero information evidence, undeniable arbitrary capabilities, and a slew of other cryptographic discoveries that are at the heart of modern blockchain developments like Dfinity, Cardano, Harmony, Algorand, and so on. The first round of Dutch sales of Algorand tokens was launched on June 19, 2019, with the official start of the mainnet. Within 7 days of the sale, Algorand was recorded on all of the top-level exchanges without having to pay any posting fees. This was a demonstration of how even the trades put stock in authenticity and long-haul incentive of Algorand. Algorand is a project that has fast risen to power and into the top 100. The idea has sparked a lot of curiosity in the crypto world. This has been dubbed one of the most interesting projects currently under development. They are attempting to reimagine blockchain technology and make it endlessly scalable with the help of VC capital and a team of PhD professors. However, in this Algorand video, I will give you everything you need to know about the project. I will also analyze the price potential of ALGO tokens. So, we are starting with Algorand introduction. Algorand is a blockchain platform that uses a decentralized, permissionless public blockchain to build a global economy. In other words, Algorand promises a blockchain environment in which everyone may participate and succeed. Therefore, the platform is being developed with the key concepts of accessibility, quick transactions, direct usage, adoption, and performance in mind. Algorand is also working on one of the blockchain technology's more difficult challenges. That is how we can build a fast and scalable platform without losing decentralization. The Algorand team understands that without a scalable solution, mass adoption will be impossible. We've seen this with Bitcoin and Ethereum, both of which are popular but have failed to get mass adoption because they are just too slow for the modern economy. However, scalability cannot be achieved at the expense of decentralization and security. All factors are important to the success of a blockchain platform, and Algorand hopes to bring all to its platform, therefore avoiding the blockchain trilemma. Algorand will also reduce transactional computational costs, providing the world with a scalable, secure, decentralized network with cheap transaction fees. Let's discuss the Algorand Network. This amazing protocol being used by Algorand is designed for speed. In simple words, the developers have reached optimal efficiency by finalizing blocks in just one round of voting. This ensures that each block is finalized instantly and will dramatically increase the transactions per second handled by the network. The mainnet has launched with the capability of handling 1,000 transactions per second with a latency of fewer than 5 seconds. Because speed without security is meaningless, the Algorand network has been designed to survive extended network partitions and recover rapidly, addressing a wide range of potential real-world attack vectors. A network partition is an attack at the network level that makes it hard or impossible for users to interact. A network attack is always a possibility, no matter how well a blockchain is designed. No blocks can be created when an attacker is powerful enough to maintain a network split perpetually, thus shutting down the network. The only way to fight this is to raise the attacker's cost until they can no longer hold. In these circumstances, proof-of-work blockchains do the worst. A POW blockchain will split into two chains, one for each partition. When the partition closes, the smaller chain collapses, taking with it all of the transactions from that side. Furthermore, a network attack on specific protocol messages can be initiated, making it virtually difficult to identify a network partition. Algorand Consensus Protocol. Byzantine agreement is utilized in the case of Algorand, but it is tuned for high performance and massive scale. This works effectively as there is a 2/3 honest majority and participants are not synchronized. The consensus is reached in just 2 steps. First is when the elected leader is honest, and the second is when the elected leader is nasty. This ensures that the protocol remains strong even in the presence of random network partitions of unknown length. Once the partition is addressed, the network also recovers quickly. This near-instant recovery from partitions makes it costly for an attacker to stall the network because the attacker would have to pay the expense of interrupting the network on a regular basis. If an honest leader delivers a block, the first vote occurs as soon as network participants get the block. This implies that when the block has propagated through all of the participating nodes, it is accepted after only 1 round of voting. To scale this towards many network nodes, Algorand has developed a unique mechanism based on verifiable random functions. This solution enables participants to check privately to see whether they have been selected to participate in the next block's agreement and then include proof of selection in their network messages. Other than their private keys, Algorand's protocol does not require users to retain any private state. This means that the network may replace participants soon after a network message is delivered, and it avoids attacks on individuals once their names are known. Even though an attacker takes control of the network and can dictate which messages are delivered to particular users, and when the Algorand agreement protocol will not fork, the user's account balance will always be protected. That's how Algorand has been designed to operate securely and efficiently in a permissionless environment consisting of a random number of participants, all of whom can join or leave the network at any moment and without any clearance or verification process. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for more updates. And do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comment below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Now we are going to discuss the ALGO token. Algorand held a Dutch auction ICO initial coin offering in June 2019 and raised over $60 million, selling 25 million tokens at $2.40 each. The ICO date coincided with the launch of the Algorand mainnet. That is just the beginning though, as Algorand has said they will auction off 600 million tokens per year using the same Dutch auction system each time. So the total token supply will be 10 billion ALGO. On September 1st, 2019, ALGO's price was set at $0.393337, which places the token in the 47th spot based on a market cap of $113 million. Comparing its price and market cap from 2019 to 2021, it's a big difference. Now, by October 2021, the price is increased by $2.002. The token has a market cap of $12.28 billion, which puts it in 16th rank. Buying and storing ALGO. Although ALGO Deep Drive is listed on Binance, the greatest trading volumes by far come from Hotbit, followed by MXC, CoinEx, Bilaxy, and BitZ. The token is also listed on some other exchanges including Huobi Global, OKX, Coinbase Pro, and BitMEX. Across these exchanges, a healthy volume is efficiently spread out and reduces the reliance on any one exchange. For example, on Binance, the ALGO markets are quite deep and there is a high turnover. This makes it that much simpler to execute large block orders with limited slippage. Once you have your ALGO tokens, you can remove them from the exchange and store them in an offline wallet. Unfortunately, we are all too aware of the risks that come from storing large quantities of coins on centralized exchanges. Algorand has created mobile wallets for both Android and iOS devices, and Coinami supports ALGO tokens, so you may use it as a desktop wallet. So guys, let's summarize today's video. Algorand is a very interesting project that is worth monitoring for the next few years. Several use cases have already been hyped, and it is pushing for improvements in security and decentralization. The Peer Proof of Stake (POS) is an amazing feature that sets it apart from competitors, and to a lesser degree, so it also works amazing for its protocol change mechanisms. It is all down to community. The Algorand platform also looks very promising, and should things go well, it could bring Algorand much higher with respect to market cap. But, of course, everything is speculation now. You should take away this. Algorand has the work ethic, a good business plan, and the technology to make it a worthwhile investment. These are the essential pillars of any business, let alone a cryptocurrency platform, and that makes Algorand a worthwhile consideration. If you are willing to go after an altcoin that is yet to fully prove itself but has the great potential to grow much more, then Algorand is a reasonable investment. On the other hand, if your risk appetite is very low, then stick to the major tokens you know will grow more in the long run. So guys, wrapping up today's video, no doubt, Algorand Deep Drive is an incredibly speculative and volatile buy. Do you have any questions regarding Algorand Deep Drive? Do not hesitate to add your thoughts in the comments section. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alarmed with our latest content. If you want to make money and enjoy financial freedom, then CryptoNow is for you. Thanks for your time. Be happy.